We finally got a call today saying that our counter for the island is ready and that they can come in tomorrow to deliver and install. So today, what Rob needs to do is, by the way, folks who are using IKEA islands, make sure you get these brackets from them because the counter cannot be installed without these brackets, and you need to install this ahead of time. So Rob is getting ready to put, I guess there's what, 4? 6?
I think they gave us more than we need. They said we needed one for each side of each cabinet, but that's not what's illustrated here.
So
the kitchen department is a
there,
little confused.
Here,
one there.
Here.
No. See, they're only showing one where the cabinets meet.
Oh. And they gave us 6.
Yeah. That's a lot.
So we only really needed 3. No, 1, 2, 3, 4.
4, yeah.
There. There's a connection here and there. Are you excited for the counter install tomorrow?
Oh, yeah.
And on a different note, these beautiful concrete counters have been curing. Second day now, I think, and now you can really see on camera subtle textures. Rob put about 8 layers of seal, prime and seal. And look at, now you can actually see the subtle textures in the concrete. And it is actually smooth. It's not bumpy. And it's looking really beautiful. Along with, we finally received this fridge with a dent. We got some money back for that dent. We did not want to return this fridge and order a new one because we ordered this back in May 2021. It is now the end of September 2021. So this guy is staying. And here is our pride and joy. The Blue Star oven, 30-inch, or Blue Star stove, 30-inch with oven. We are so happy. And we got, don't know, we'll show this to you guys later on, but it's an open burner system, which means it comes with a tray that catches all the drips and any scraps that are going through the burners. And our range hood, which we will be installing there. Lighting's really beautiful, honey, Rob. Honestly, can't tell half the time if this camera's focusing. Today is the day. Today we are finally getting our counter for this island. What was supposed to be a week of production and installation time has turned into 3 weeks. It's been interesting. But we're finally getting it today. Not the counter we had initially ordered, it's a different one. So instead of pure white, it's organic white. I guess it just has a little more textural coloring going through it. This is just a makeshift piece of wood here. It's not part of the island. So we're going to remove that and have it ready for the folks to come in and install the island.
Hey.
Good morning, Rob.
It's a big day.
Yes, it is a big day. So today I think we should actually install the exhaust hood and have it ready for whenever we get a ventilation person.
Today, I'll probably do that as well. But my first task today is to fill this hole because I'd like to use the kitchen again.
Yeah, I mean, I can make do with a hot plate, but we definitely need a sink.
Yeah.
So a slight issue, the way we tried to level this, caused a little gap, but we're trying to de-shim some stuff from below so we can get this counter to sit. new counter. Ta-da! What do you think, Rob?
I think you could land airplanes on it.
I think it turned out really nice.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Did a really nice job of installing it.
They did. So we managed to make a white-ish kitchen without it being overly white, which I'm quite happy with.
Yeah. It's beautiful. I think we can strip this off now. The last little piece.
Well, shall we put the drawers back?
Go. That looks gorgeous.
It looks lovely. What do we do with all this counter space now?
I don't know. I think we should permanently lay out a chessboard.
Going from a kitchen where the only amount of counter space we had was this, because the one that was over here was really non-existent. All we had was this, to this, to whoop, that, and then gonna have additional counter space here once we put the fridge and the rolling cabinetry. Yeah.
Yeah, we've made good use of our resources.
We did. Now that the counter's been done and installed, we are now going to work in putting in the sink and brand new plumbing at the bottom, because that plumbing accommodated for 2 sinks, but now we're just having one giant sink. So we gotta do everything from scratch in there. To go to
I think
just a hardware store across the street.
I would I thought I had it. I thought this was going to go on the tailpipe.
So do you want to just explain?
So often when you get a sink, the drain comes attached with a long copper tailpipe, and you slide this piece onto the tailpipe, and then you attach.
Now I know what you're talking about.
Yeah, exactly. We had to fuss with it at your parents'.
Yeah.
But this one comes with a threaded fitting, and it's a nice standard thread, but I don't have the piece.
Right.
So.
So you're gonna run over to the hardware store.
I'm gonna run to the hardware store.
We need to perform a minor sink surgery. We need to remove some of these clips.
Tabs. I think what I'm going to do.
There's 5 of them?
Well, I'm going to do these ones. The ones at the front we will be using.
The ones in the back we don't need.
Yeah, because the deck isn't cut away there.
Yeah.
Just lay that. Pull it out over the flowers.
Over the flowers?
Yeah. There we go. That's going to be easier.
Yeah, it's got a weird smell.
Yeah. Yeah, so it's burnt epoxy.
Yeah. I thought I was expecting more of a metal smell. I mean, it goes in pretty snug.
Yeah, I mean, there's no room for us to attach anything to those.
And the way you put it in, it's a pretty snug fit. I think with just siliconing it,
Yeah.
we'll keep it in place. It's not going anywhere.
Yeah. Ouch. Okay, so I got plenty of room here before we run into trouble. So I can cut out around this.
And you can even cut wider if you
Yeah, I will. I'm going to cut a good deal wider.
Yeah.
Because that way...
Then you can get to the flange, right up to the steel.
Yeah, right up to the steel. Yeah, that was the Destructo saw that we...
Rob, say you love me.
I love you.
So sound is not going to be that great from this camera here since we're using the GoPro with no microphone. But anyways, we figured out that we need to cut out a bigger hole for the flange of the faucet to fit into. And since we're cutting through concrete, layers of concrete and birch ply, we are going to use this guy.
The Destructo saw.
The Destructo saw. Now, where can I be so I'm not in your way?
I don't know.
By cutting through just the area that we need to, we then don't need to destroy the whole counter. We'll just get to the space we need to. So we're solving 2 problems with one Destructo saw.
This new concrete is tough.
Yeah.
It didn't even chip.
I was really afraid it was going to crack or something, but
That should be enough.
maybe because it's still curing.
Getting there is going to be fun.
Yeah. You may have to like kind of go from here.
Yeah.
How's the blade doing?
Fun?
Think it'll get through one more?
I think so.
That, and I just realized they probably saw a very shaky footage because it was just jittery. But it's done. Wow, the combination smell of acetic acid and sewer gas is amazing. And then we're going to sandbag it.
I think so. These 2 here.
Okay, finish it up tomorrow.
I'm glad that's you under there and not me.
Yeah.